Hey, Thaddeus. Hi, cutie. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the little. Oh, little big toy.
I have an idea next year for costumes.
You do?
Yeah.
What?
I'm going to find him a lobster costume.
Let go. Why?
And then I'm going to dress up as a chef.
Oh, that's cute. You know what I heard of today? You know what I heard of?
What?
I heard of a man dressed up as a great big bunny rabbit, and he carried around his baby who was dressed as a carrot. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Who's cute? Yes, you're cute. Are you hot? Are you hot? Are you warm? Go this way and that way. Look into the light. Okay, let go. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, thank you.
Take it. So cute. Now, it's a close call. You dive for the camera and fall off your trike. Just a sec.